If you missed number 5, this one we're not rereading anything. How is access to clean drinking water an example of environmental? I'm going to annotate this question by circling environmental and then the word racial. All right? Environment is where you are, and racial is, of course, about your race or your skin color. All right? So here I'm thinking, how is access to clean drinking water an example of both of these? What does it have to do with about where we are and what you look like? So if you got this question wrong, my best guess is that you didn't say both. So when I'm talking about why clean drinking water is an issue of both environmental justice and racial justice, it's because access to clean drinking water is an issue of environment. It has to do with where you live, and also you're more likely to experience it if you're a person of color. That's what the whole article is about. So it's an example of both because two factors to having access to clean drinking water are both where you live and what you look like. And depending, if you are a person of color, you are more likely to live in a place that has problems with clean drinking water. So it combines both, because if you're a person of color, that's racial justice, you are more likely to live in a place that does not have access to clean drinking water, and that's why it's environmental. So you need to potentially have the sentence starter or use like this as an example. Of environmental justice because. And then tell me why, what I just said. And then you also probably need to have a second sentence of, it's an example of racial justice. I'm not going to write the whole thing, but an example of racial justice because. And you can make that correction for number 5.